We've been married for 2 years.
Oh no! Been married for 1 year and
And almost 2 years.
no, we were married in July. What are you talking about?
I
March.
thought we're 2 years already.
Almost March.
Flies so quick.
Give or take like more than a year.
Hi, my name is Ynos Ballasteros. We're from the Philippines. I've been here 4 years now. So I'm studying here in Brigham Young University, Hawaii, Information Systems, and my wife is already graduating.
I took up communication back home in the Philippines before. Well, more than 4 years ago. So I already was working before I moved here with my husband. I'm Shamae, and I'm Ynos undergrad.
Aww. You can go first.
So you go first.
So I went on my mission, and after that, after 2 years, I went back. And the second thing I saw in our ward, in our church back in the Philippines, is her face. So I fell in love with her at first sight. I don't know if you guys believe in that, but I believe so.
Okay, here's my side of the story. So I was serving as the SA rep for a word. And so when he came back home, the first thing I said was, "Oh, you're the kuya I've been hearing about. Oh, nice to meet you." Anyway, I saw him the way he teaches, organize activities. He'd always be there, and he was always ready to assist me. So I appreciated that about him. I did not know that he liked me from the get-go. I saw that he was very reliable, and he was very passionate about teaching. And then I like perks a lot. So I found out he was into video games and that sort of thing. So I was like, oh, that's cool. Anime, like some of the things that my friends back home also like. And then when I got to know him better, he still is a very good listener. Yeah, because I talk a lot. So he listens to me a lot, and it's nice to be with somebody who is very humble, like doesn't judge you for any of the things that you've done in the past or any of the things that you do end up making, mistakes that you end up making. And so I think that being with him was like a breath of fresh air, and that was very much the reason why we ended up doing the long distance, because I knew him to be humble, I knew him to be loyal, and so we could make it work while he was starting his first years here in BYU, Hawaii. So.
Yeah, as for me, I think I fell in love with her sense of responsibility, her humor, and also her awkwardness. Because I'm awkward myself, and she that's a plus to her. And I think the more I get to know her, the more I see how perfect she is if she will become my wife. At first, it was only just a crush. But at the time, she told me that she's dating another guy, but secretly there wasn't.
No, that was me bluffing. We were dating for 3 months at that time. I thought he would have said something by now, like what this is, but he wasn't doing anything. And so I thought, and what I've seen from movies.
It's
I was gonna say from movies and TV shows that. Oh, you kind of tell somebody that there's another person, but really there isn't, just to see if they would belch or they would say something.
Yeah, but in the end...
in my defense, just say.
I mean, one of the blessings of being with her is I was able to be more patient, be more humble, and see things see the little things that she do, like, is enough for me to be happy. I feel satisfied whenever I'm with her, and because we're married in the temple, I'm like confident that we will be together forever, even after this life.
Leading to the marriage and leading up to relocating here, there were so many challenges, but I think one of the things that definitely helped us was the protection of Heavenly Father, and especially His guidance through really just about everything. I've let go of control and just given my faith unto Him, and just like, wherever we end up going, we'll make it work, and we are confident that He'll guide us along the way as well.
And I think one thing that I learned during our marriage is being understanding, patient, and putting Heavenly Father first and Jesus Christ at the center of your relationship.
Especially with like the first few months of your marriage, you're really not gonna get anything right. You're still kind of figuring out, because the things that you knew when you were boyfriend and girlfriend, you don't know like the whole of it. You just kind of have like an idea of it. Getting into our marriage, there were so many like things that I kind of didn't anticipate, but now obviously I know. And one of the things that helped us a lot as well is just, taking everything not too seriously. Yeah, because whenever that we have disagreements, we just laugh it off, we tease each other about it, and that's always fun. And he gets all smug when he's right, so yeah. So yeah, it's just to kind of always remember that your relationship is more important than any disagreement.